Hello everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome back to my channel. And today I am excited to share with you the unboxing of the gorgeous Home Sweet Home box from Simply Gilded, which is the box for the month of October. Now, as always, I do customer service for Simply Gilded, so I received mine early, but if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipment confirmation by the end of the month. And if you're not subscribed, the box is live on the website right now, so you can get yours. Just go to simplygilded.com to subscribe, and I will have links below. Now, the month, theme of the month is basically that feeling that you get, when it's fall time and you really want to just snuggle up on the couch and just have a warm cup of coffee, chocolate, pumpkin spice, whatever you like, and just relax under a nice cozy blanket. And so I think that the plaid here, background is just perfect. There is this beautiful heart right in the middle. I love the font. And then in the back, we have the most adorable house. And you can see this is a pastel plaid. Clearly, there's pinks, there's light blues, a little darker blues. But how adorable is that cute little house with the pink shingles and then the gold foiling from the windows and a little smoke coming out of the chimney. I just feel like, and the wreath. I just noticed the beautiful wreath on the door. How cute is that? I'm definitely gonna cut that out and make it into, a cute little die cut, or you can also cut it out bigger, turn it into a little tiny card or, journaling card. And of course, we have little juniper here. This is volume 48. As Irene mentioned, December will be the 50th box that Irene has released, which is an amazing accomplishment. And I think the boxes just keep getting more beautiful every month. Now, as always, I'm gonna start with the little journal, the card that comes in the box. That it's a little menu card and tells you everything that is included in the box. Now, I will not be showing the mystery item, as I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. But this is what is included in this month's box: a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, new deluxe sticker kit, which is huge, printed mini album, BC stitch binding notebook, engraved gel ink pen, foiled weekly notepad, Jasper magnet, super cute, and mystery item. I just want to say the mystery item is something different that Irene has never released before. So, I will just leave it at that. But let's start with the journaling card. Who is the cutest? This is the cutest journaling card ever. There is this kind of sagey green, a little bit deeper, like a darker sage, I would say, like a matte green background. And this little frame that goes around it in gold foil. And then it says life is sweet. And we have all the ingredients that you would use, to bake some goodies. We have butter, we have rosemary, we have a little cute mitten, mixing bowl with little hearts, and then of course a sugar bowl with a little teeny tiny bow on it. This is super cute. So I just love this card. It's just sweet. The card is sweet, just as is the theme. Now, let me start with the magnet, because this magnet of Jasper is adorable. It comes in a little packaging. This is the backing, and so you can use it for gifting. Clearly comes in a plastic wrapper, which I have removed. But how cute is Jasper? This is Jasper, who is ready to go, and hibernate for the winter. He has eaten all that he needs to eat, all the berries he wants, and he's ready to go. He's got cute little chubby cheeks with the rosy. He's so cute. He's so friendly. Again, he's a magnet, so you can use him on your fridge. You can even use them, as I do sometimes, and use it on top of your planner. If you want to kind of customize your own planner, I just use it like that. But it's so cute, and it's a cute, new design of Jasper, kind of look. Then I want to share the beautiful mini album. So this is the same plaid. Yes, it's a slightly less pink than the box, and it's just most beautiful plaid that I've ever seen. I love plaid, but I don't like the deep reds or greens. So this is my kind of plaid, because it's got pastel colors. The closure is the heart in gold, and then on the inside we have this kind of creamy blush color with a little pocket here. You have tons of inserts here, these plastic sleeves that you can use to create a mini mini album you can use to store your stickers, which I always use them for. And then of course there's the little hook here, so if you want to put a charm or if you want to dangle it from something, you're free to do it. So this is a mini sticker album. And then the beautiful pen. And this pen has this beautiful bow that has been released in a previous box, and it is this cream color. It's not white. It is a very soft, buttery cream white color. It's it's a really beautiful color that goes with everything. It's got, of course, the gold barrel. It's a 0.5 millimeter black in gel ink pen. They write beautifully, and as always, the refills are available on the website. Now, before I get into, well, actually, let me keep the stickers for last because I really want to, show you exactly how upgraded the kit has been. But we also get a B6 stitch insert with cute little Jasper right there. It's the same as the little magnet. It matches. Let me show you. See, just smaller. This is more of like soft peach cream color, I would say. The inside is lined with the bows on the top, and the back is blank. And again, these are printed in this super soft paper, and you can use this for planning, for note taking, for list making, whichever you want. Then Irene included something that people have been very excited about, is this weekly printed, basically like a little mini planner on the go, or something you can keep on your dashboard. So these are all pages that are not stuck together. So these are all, there's no sticky on the side, so they can be ripped out, taken with you. But this is kind of like a weekly planner that is gold foiled. The background is a peach, definitely a soft peach. And then it tells you the date, the week, and then you have all the days of the week. You have the top goals, to-do list, and notes. And this is 8 inches, I think 8 and 3. I can't remember the exact measurements, but it's a little over, it's 8 and 2/3 or something. And then this is about a little less than 4 inches. But I've been asked to see if this fits in a Padfolio. Now this Padfolio was from the free range box, so it doesn't come in this box, but just in case you have that box, or you are interested in purchasing it, the Padfolio separately or any Padfolio, and you've been wondering if this fit, we're going to do the test right now. So there's a pocket right here. So if you include it here, it will fit. It's very roomy. Now you'll cover this pocket, but if you prefer to take it with you and you prefer to stick it inside the Padfolio this way, you can also do so. But so just as you can tell, it fits in here with a lot of room. Now, if you do not want to use it in a Padfolio, you can also use the magnet to attach it to your fridge. I personally like to keep these on my desk with me because I also just write down hours and things, when I work on a project. So I like to do that. But again, you can rip this up and take it with you, or, so they're not sticky. They're not sticky notes. Then, before we get into the washi, let me get into the upgraded and updated sticker kit. Now, this kit has basically, I mean, it's not doubled, but it's huge right now. So this kit comes with your full box. It's also available for purchase separately in the stickers only. If you purchase in the stickers only, it comes in a little folder, and it comes with a journaling card, and that is for $10 plus $4 shipping, which is insane. Now the pricing will change, but Irene is keeping it as is for the next 2 months. Now let me show you how much, because normally we would have 2 full sheets and a small sheet, plus we will have seals, and then 2 sheets of the dates and 1 sheet of the icons. Now, I'm sorry guys, now we're getting 4 full sheets. So let's go back and look at every single sheet. So these are all Erin Condren sized stickers. They will they're printed on the beautiful unicorn paper, so the paper is the same. And now the first sheet we're getting, as you can see the difference immediately, we're getting 9 full boxes. So on top of the 9 full boxes, we also have down here little kind of like washi toppers, you know, like little headers that have little bows. But how beautiful are these full boxes? We have the little sugar and bowl. Let's spice things up. This beautiful floral, which matches one of the washi. Another beautiful kind of neutral with that dark sage, the heart, that little sparkles with the plaid background, the most delicious little bun cake, makes me hungry, and then some pots, and then a little mixer stand, and the adorable house. So these are 9 full boxes just right here. So this will last you a while. Then we have a second full sheet of half boxes, quarter boxes, headers, and then some flags. So we're having 9 quarter boxes, 6 half boxes. We have 6 headers. Some are family work, and then gratitude. This you can use as a header for, kind of like keeping track of your week. And then we have all these little washi strips, which have some foiling, some little bow headers, etc. Then we have another sheet, and this sheet has a ton of flags. We have flags that have little heart checklist, bow checklist, super cute. This is new. I love the cute little bow. I don't know if you see it. It matches the bow on the pen, so it's super cute. Then we have some flags in different patterns. We have some flags that you can actually use these as kind of like checklist. You can add something to it. Then we have all this deco with these little icons. We have a croissant, we have a cake, butter, eggs, super cute. Then some little wreath or something you can use across your boxes. Then a ton of little bows and more icons right here, so we're not missing icons. And then the last full sheet, we're having 4, now we're getting 4 complete sets of days of the week. So we have one here in pink, one here in white cream, one here in plaid, and then one here horizontally here in pink and gray. So now for all of you who were requesting to have 4 full weeks of days of the week, here they are. And then additionally, we have 4 more half boxes and then more headers like meeting, important, goals, etc. So this will definitely last you a month. Clearly, you won't have a month of, full boxes, because that will be crazy. But you can totally stretch this out. And, I just love that Irene has changed this out. So in addition to all this, you're still getting your little bow heart your heart icons with the dates and a few of the icons. So you can use this to you pull it off, and then you can just mark the days, the number of the day on your planner. And then you're also getting a sheet of the beautiful bows that match the design of the box. So we have some florals, we have some plaid, some pink. So this is a lot, guys. This is a lot of stickers. I hope that all of you who asked for the expansion of the kit are happy with it, because I just think this is huge. This is a great improvement, in the size of the kit. Now, the last part of the box is the washi. So the washi comes in this baggie this month, which is this soft gray with a bow in the middle. And you can order this as the washi only, so you will receive all the washi that comes here, plus a journaling card. Now, here is the washi of the month, which is so sweet. It's so adorable, just like the theme of the box. And we're getting 2, 4, 8 washi tapes this month. Actually, let me count them again. That's 7. Sorry, guys. 7 washi tapes. I was like, no, I don't think that's right. That's 7 washi tapes, which is a ton. So let me show you the first one. So first we have the matching 10 millimeter with the 15 millimeter. We have this beautiful pink plaid background with the bows in gold. And let me unroll it for you so you can see it. So I love this. I tried to match my nails to it. I don't know if you noticed, my nails are darker though. So this is super sweet. It's perfect for the holidays also. I think just don't think it for the fall. I think this will totally take you into the the holiday season that's just around the corner, because if you're going out and shopping like me, it's already basically a holiday season. Halloween, it's already gone. Then we have this adorable little juniper washi. So it's just a little chubby little juniper on a very soft mauve pink background, and he's so cute. He's ready for hibernation. And then we have two of the perforated washi. I'm not going to unroll them, but one is the 10 millimeter with the days of the week in this soft sagey green with the gold foiling. And then we have these bows. This is like, I think, a 7 millimeter with a little bow header. So you can use this in addition to your stickers to create more headers in your planner. Then we have a beautiful floral that I will unroll right now. And there we go. So we have this beautiful floral with kind of like a creamy white background and soft pink flowers. And then we have a simple line of gold that runs across it. And then we have the super cute like cooking and baking washi. Now the background, I would say it's let's see when it's open. Actually, it's like I don't know if I can say a mauvish brown. It's a mix of a mauve and a brown, but how adorable are these little icons? We have the sugar, the rosemary. So these are the same little icons that we have seen in the little deco, and as well as in the card. We have the salt and pepper, we have the flour, we have the mixing bowl, we have the eggs, which are my favorite. I don't know why, but the eggs are super cute. This is the additional, not the additional, this is the other 15 millimeter. Now, if you buy the washi only, you also get the 5 millimeter, which includes add-on, which includes 4 washi tapes, and these are super cute. If you want it separately, you have to subscribe to it separately, but you can email us at hello@simplygilded.com if you didn't get it and your box isn't shipped, and we will get you a custom invoice for it. So in this month we're having, and I don't know if you can see it, but we're having basically this adorable 5 millimeter bow washi with the plaid background. Then we have one of the that has a split line of cream and gold. Then we're having this very soft light sage with stars in gold sprinkles all over it, and then a darker kind of green with the little hearts in gold. So this is the 5 millimeter add-on, and this is it, guys. Aside from the mystery item, which I will not be revealing, but as always, if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipping confirmation by the end of the month. If you're not subscribed, or if you have any questions, just email us at hello@simplygilded.com and we'll answer any questions. But again, this box is absolutely stunning. It's so cozy. I can't wait to play with it, but I will be back next week with a quick Halloween setup that I did very last minute. I'm still working on it, but I decided to switch to a Halloween setup for the last week of the month because why not? And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll keep sneak peeking at the box on my Instagram at Planningfancy. Have a good, wonderful day, guys. Bye.